So hi guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'll be walking you through how to do the Doma protocol. And I will have done this video for a while, but I waited till I was sure that I completed all the tasks. So you see, I've claimed the tasks, both the tax and the NFT rule. So I just saw that and I decided to walk you through the video. Now in this video, I'll be walking you through steps on how to get all this, but I'm going to be skipping the social tax so that this video doesn't choke you up and it doesn't take too much time. And bear in mind, some of these tax might not automatically approve instantly, but trust me, I have done them and it's going to approve you instantly. So I'm going to switch my wallet now to the account I'm going to be using to walk you through this test video. So just give me a moment while I change my account. So I'm just about to log in my new wallet, so that I'll be able to, okay, this is the wallet I want to work with and let's go through it. And so the wallet is logged in. So if you are you are new to this, these social media taxes are so easy. Just click on them and follow and you're fine. The same thing with the Discord group. Just click on Discord and click on verify, then you are good. Now for this, said visit the faucet site to get at least one Sepolia ETH. It just said visit. So if you just go and visit the site, it automatically mark that for you. But because I had done it, I don't need to revisit it. Just click here and visit the site so that it's going to mark it for you. Okay, this is the site for a few of you. If you are lucky enough for this to work, for me, it did not work. So, but I'm still going to show you how to get Sepolia in various ways. I'm going to show you how to do that. But for this, if you still want to just click on your ID, and if that is, or just click on it and paste it here. And you can just verify a human and it will ask you for the human verification and all those things. So if it does going to ask you for this and verify, then start mining. But for me, it did not work, so I'm still going to show you other ways to do that. So, but with this, you are fine. You should be able to access the if you just click on, oh no, it just took me through. So with this, just click here and just click on verify here and you should be verified. Now, let me walk you through how to get other Sepolia Faucet. Now, I'm going to be dropping some links for you to be able to get those Sepolia Faucet. For example, one of these Sepolia Faucet is from Cloud. Yes, let me just get the Sepolia Faucet for you. Sorry, give me a moment. So this is cloud.google.com.application.web. With this, you'll be able to get a Sepolia wallet. The same thing you're going to do, just copy your wallet ID as I did the other time. Come here to your, is it MetaMask or OKS wallet? I'm currently using OKS wallet. And just click on this and you've copied it. So you can click on just click on receive here. You can just click here and you can just paste it here and you are fine. It will give you 0.05 worth of ETH every 24 hours, 0.05 worth of ETH for every 24 hours. That is one way of getting a Sepolia ETH. Now there's another way of getting that, so let me show you. Now there's another way, let me show you how to do this. Now if you're using OKS wallet, just click on OKS wallet and you should be able to coming in my OKS wallet is a bit loading. Okay, click on toolkit, then click on testnet faucet. So while we wait for it to load, now this is it. So come down to different faucet. You can get various faucets here. This is what you need, Sepolia Faucet. and it will take you to the official site when you're going to get it. So it will bring you here, and the same thing you're going to do is for you to copy your wallet ID and paste it there. Same way you copy your wallet ID and paste it here. But there's a condition here. To be sure you are not a bot, you must have a minimum of 0.01 ETH in your Ethereum main account to be sure you are not a bot. And this will be giving you only 0.1 Sepolia ETH every 72 hours. So with this, you'll be able to get Sepolia ETH from this place too. So I've shown you how to get Sepolia ETH in 2 ways. So let's go back to the tax. Then from this point, you can just click here and you are fine. Then the other one, it says visit the bridge Sepolia ETH to Doma Testnet. Now what you need to do is just visit from here. Just click sorry, let me get this off. Then just click here, and to take you to, it's supposed to take you to a bridge space where you're going to bridge. My laptop is being a bit laggy. Let me refresh and continue. So just click on this and it will take you to the site where you can bridge for Sepolia and you can bridge for Testnet token. So just click agree, connect your wallet. Same way, let's connect to yes. So currently trying to connect my OKX. So if your OKX does not go, you can still use MetaMask to connect, in as much you integrate your MetaMask with the account. So let me just switch to the account here using MetaMask. Okay, let's sign in, verifying the account. Okay, this is ad network. Just confirm and yeah, now we are good to go. Now but for the essence of this video, I'm just going to do 0.01 because I've done I've breached already, so I'm not going to breach an huge amount of Sepolia here. So for you to continue, click on this 3 here for these 3 minutes, click on it, then click continue, then you click on start. So while we wait for MetaMask to pop up, okay, the MetaMask is popping up. Yeah, just verify the transaction. So it has started on Sepolia network. Mind you, it's going to take 3 minutes for it to move from your Sepolia ETH to your Doma Testnet. So you can now go back to this place and you just click here and automatically it's approved the tax for you, which is the other tax. Now these other taxes are time have time which they'll be verified. It's not instant. So when you are done with them, it will not verify instantly. Now if you click down here, so see it will tell you, said credential update occurs at 1600 UTC time every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. It simply means if you do it now, it will be verified on Monday. So let's just go and do the tax. Now this tax says user who purchased a domain through the buy me now features on Doma Dashboard. It's a user who buys a domain, who purchased domain through buy now. So let's go to the domain, the site where we're going to buy the domain. So this is the site. So why not the site? You need to log in or sign up based on what you want to do. If you have an account already, you just need to sign up. But if you don't have an account, if you have an account already, just log in. If you don't have an account, all you need to do is sign up. I already have an account here, so I'm just going to logging into their account. So let me see. Let me just log out so that we'll be able to log in properly from the beginning. Okay, so log in, and you just put the account and everything. And so I want to log in properly. Put the your mail. It will ask you to input some codes before you be able to continue. So I'm inputting my code, and okay, this is not complete. It's 8099, and that is the complete code. Something went wrong. Thank you. We are working on fixing it. Thank you for. Okay, let's just refresh again and try it again. Let's see. Let me check my profile. Let me see the email that is linked with it before I continue. Okay, so this is the email I want to use. So the moment it allows you to log in, then the next thing you come to do is you come to link wallet. So you can just click here, that's MetaMask or OKS, to link the wallet. So this is not the wallet I want to link. Let me link the wallet I want. So link this wallet, update, and it asks you to sign in. Okay, to, and from here you are good to go. Say successfully connected to MetaMask. Now, how do you know your wallet is linked? When you come here, you see that your wallet is linked. So you can link multiple wallet and thereabout. So now let's go straight to the task we're asked to do. Don't forget the task we're asked to do. You said, come here. You said, user who purchased domain through the buy now feature. So let's come here. Oh, sorry, let's come here. Come to this point. You have to go back to the home page. Now, this place is what you want to do is you want to buy now. You're not buying you're just buying instantly. Look for the cheapest one to buy, and just click and do buy now. So I'll change this to this wallet here, so that then I'll click on pay. Now you have to be fast because you're not the only one trying to buy. There are other people trying to buy too. With this, that domain has been bought. So you have to be very fast because there are other people trying to buy domains too, and you have to look for the cheapest domain to buy. Although you could always sell the domain the moment you are done, but let's just pick one and buy, so that we'll be able to carry out this transaction. Just click on this, confirm and pay. So await the transaction for MetaMask to pop up. Now this is MetaMask popping up. So just click on confirm, and you see it said fill process. So see, I've purchased this. So the next thing for you to do is just click claim domain. It will take you back to your own profile. Let's click here and say already have an account or create an account. So if you already have an account, just click already have an account and continue. If you don't have, just click claim account. And so this is just to add various address and some other things to it, and that is all. So it would pop up a sign-in system, and then wallets waiting for verification, and that should be it for. Okay, you see request submitted, registration reduced to something like that. So with this, you have purchased the domain. Now you can see it here, and you'll see you're seeing it here. So you have performed that transaction. So from here, and when you come back here to the official Galxe site, you have performed that transaction successfully. Now let me load this so that I'll be able to, the Galxe site would load and I would be able to move to the next step. So I've refreshed my site. So with this, I had done this. I had buy now. So that is how to buy now. Then the next task is user who lists their purchase domain for a resale on the Doma Dashboard. So a user who lists their purchase domain for a resale. So I've purchased this domain now. You have to relist it for its resale. So how do you do that? You click on the domain, you come down to lists. You see list here, yeah. Then click on list, then put the number of days or the number of months you want it to be. Then you can just, sorry, I beg your pardon, already somebody's already bidding at 0.02, which is the highest. Now just click on list and you can put the exact amount you want. You change this from USDC to ETH and you put 0. I bought it for 0.8, then put for 0.85. Then you click on list for sale. You see creating order in progress here. Then it will give you to ask you to confirm and you confirm. So creating order in progress. Creating order in progress. MetaMask transaction. So create order succeeded. So you had successfully created an order, and this is the price 0.5 ETH active offer. That is it. So we have carried out the second activity here, which is this. Now the third activity here is saying, now if you click it, it's not going to verify because it will tell you, because this is not the time to verify, so it's not good to verify. I click it, it will just revolve around and it will not verify. Yes, it will take, that will be on Monday by 1400 hour. Now the next task here says that it said user who makes offer on list domain through the Doma Dashboard. So user who make offer on list domain. So we are going to go back here, come back here and look for a domain and make offer. Can come back here. So what we are going to do is we are going to make offer. So okay, this was the one I just listed. You can just click on this one now. And what we are going to do is make offer. We are not buying, I'm just making an offer. This is here. Just from, instead of buy now, click place an offer. You can change this to W ETH and just put the offer you want to buy. Let's say 0.1. It doesn't matter the amount you put. The essence is that you just make an offer. So while we wait for verification through our integrator, just click confirm. You see creating order in progress. Then you confirm. Then we confirm again. Then creating order succeeded. So you have done that. You have created software. So you have created your offer successfully submitted for this domain. It simply means you have created an offer for it. And if you see, if you come down, you see this is the offer. So simply means we are done the next one. So we are done this too. So all we need to do is do the next one. I'm waiting for, don't know why Galxe is refreshing, but let's go back up. So now let's do the last one. So the last one is a survey. So the survey is what worked and what did not work and various things. That is what the survey is all about. Said what is the most confusing thing about, frustrating thing about. If there's anything you like, you can put there. You can just say, for me, I can say it is not too user friendly. And yes. So how would you like to recommend? So you can just do this in your spare time. So because of this video, I will do this and not use it to waste our time. So I am done with the survey, and that is it for this first set of Galxe tax. Now there's still another Galxe tax that is available here. We are going to do that. So please make sure you finish this tax before on or before August 31st, 2025. So do that before on or before August 31st. So let's go to the next tax. So this next tax, if you have done the former social tax, you don't have a problem. You just need to go through this. And now this next tax, there's an NFT attributed to it. First come first serve NFT. The NFT is for the first 10,000 people. So now this is completed. So I don't think you'll be able to mint this. This is completed. But doing the tax will still allow you to be eligible for anything that will be given. So let me just run you through this next task. So the next one says only the sharpest, only the sharpest flippers know the game where digital name becomes real good. Can you name the domain dealing? Okay, can you name the domain dealing empire hidden in this riddle? So this is like a kind of a tax, a kind of quiz. Okay, the answer here is D. That is the D is Domaniopoly. That is the answer for this. And let's go to the next task. So the next task is a Tycoon of Tech-5. Now, user who list or purchased a premium style finance slash fintech slash wealth inspired domain with up to 5 letters through with up to 5 letters through the buy now features on the domain. So user who lists, don't get it, who list or purchased a premium style finance slash fintech slash wealth inspired domain with up to 5 letters through the buy now features on the Doma Dashboard. So what you're saying is that we have to buy a 5 letter words tech related domain. So that is what's asking us to do on the Doma network. So we can go here now and just come down to this point and look for a tech related domain. So this is like again. Let's just refresh it and continue. Now for this particular task, it's if you don't have enough if, you might be at this at disadvantage. But my work is to walk you through an easier way to get it done. There's a more easier way to get it done that will require you to not too much to get it done. So I'm going to walk you through that path. Okay, now let's come back here. So for you to be able to get a domain that is that is techy in nature, the best thing to do is first is that you can just write it on Google and sorry on ChatGPT. It should give you names that are like fintech in nature, 5 letter words that are fintechy in nature, or that are wealth creative in nature, or that are finance system in nature. So if you write that, ChatGPT will give you various names. So I'll just show you the names I have through ChatGPT already. So I'll go to ChatGPT, but the next thing you'll be seeing is just the names on ChatGPT. So I told ChatGPT to give me 5 letter words that are fintech or finance in nature. So these are the words it gives to me. So you can just pick any one of them and try them. Oh, let's see. ChatGPT give me 5 letter words 5-letter words that are fintech in nature. Okay, 5-letter words that can be used. Okay. That can be used as a domain that are fintech in nature. So let's see what it does. So these are the names. These are various things that it has given to me. So let's pick everything one after the other, and let's see. Let's pick this first. And come here. Let's wait for this to load. So I just need to put it on search and paste it there and search. Let's see if I have a name related to that. Okay, I have a name related to that, but look at the amount. Currently, it is 100 if. Let's pick another domain and see if we can, let's say crafty, or let's say this. Let's see if it's going to be cheaper. No, this is not. So this name is not picked. Now every name that is not picked, you cannot get it. This one is picked. So if you pick it, this is one if. So if you have enough as one if, you can easily buy this and let it be. Now let's pick another. Let's just pick one more name. Okay. I have picked this because I know I use this myself. Let's do this. See if it is there. So this is free if. So we say that we cannot get this name. Now let me show you a more easier way to do these things. Now I'll take you. Let's go to testnet.3. Let's do the testnet.d3.app. Now, this is the same extension for this particular site. It's the same extended site by Doma. And so forget Doma name is still their code is D3. So it's the same testnet. So let me just log out and log my wallet in. Oh, sorry. Let me just log out and log my wallet in so that we can start. So I'm going to drop the link under my bio, so you don't need to stress yourself knowing the link. Just go straight to the point where you just get the link and use it. So let's click here. Let's see MetaMask. Hopefully it doesn't log in with the old one. Okay. So let me change my wallet to the wallet I want to use to this. Now we can start this. Don't worry, it would automatically refresh by itself. And if it doesn't, yes, it would. And if it doesn't, you can just retry it again for the second time. Now we are fine. I'm currently logged in into that account. So you can always close this. It's still loading. Let's wait until it's done loading. Okay. It said if you want to add a Discord account, well and good. If you don't, you can leave it. Sorry, I beg your pardon, an email account. If you don't, you might. Okay, he said register with that email. No, he said it's required. So you can just add an email account to it. So I have to add a code that will be sent to me. So let me add the code here. 427899 and verify. So now I'm logged in to the site. So from this place, you could actually look for a particular name and get the name yourself very cheap and register the name. Look at, for example, let's just click this, search. So with this, you'll see various names that are not taken that you can take and use them and sell them if you wish. For example, we can just click on, no, this is not available. Let's see, this is not available, this is not available, this is not available. You can only use the one with a set price. So, and this particular name is longer than 5. So let's go check out ChatGPT and pick another name. Let's say Cry-Fi. Let's hope it's available. So Cry-Fi, there's Cry-Fi.app, which is available. There's this, and this is still not available. So let's look for another one that is. Let's look for, okay. Let's pick this. And let's see if it is going to be available. This two is not available. There are various names that are not available here. So you keep trying until you get one that has a price tag on it, and you're going to use that particular one. Okay, this is available, but it's pricey. This is available, but it is pricey. And this is available, but it's more than a particular amount that I want, because it says it has to be 5-letter words. So if it is not available, you can just write more names. Okay, so see, it's giving us more names. Let's say this. Okay, let's just go coins. Hopefully it is available. So coins is not available. Let's come here again. I say pay on. Now it is not available. Now the reason why you cannot buy this is because you cannot add it to cart, and if you cannot add it to cart, you cannot buy it. So that is the major reason why. Now you can actually buy this on this, but on Shiba Inu.shibi, but we want something that is unique so that you'll be able to do it one time. Let's say founder. So let's come, if fully we have founder here. Same thing, we don't have, it's not available too. No price set. Yeah. Let's look for a name that looks unique. Let's use Minty. Now, for the want of this video, I'm just going to pause it and look for a name that's suitable. So when I get a name that's suitable, I just place it there and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so I got Cash AI. So that's Cashy.ai. So it's Cash.ai. So let's add this to. Now with this, it looks as if it is expensive, but not really. I'll be adding a particular card to this. There's a card that is already given for you to test for free. So with that card, you can get unlimited amounts that you want. So we are going to be paying with that card. Let's say continue. Then it will be asking you to payment. Okay, Doma Testnet. Let's see. Check it. Just ask you to fill all this. You can just fill anything here. The essence is just for just for the sake of so let's check out. Hopefully it goes through. No. I'm trying to get a number. Okay, you can click here, drag it down. So you can just put any seat there. You can put Abuja. So just check out. So now let's click on buy now. It exceeds a particular cost. Oh, so we cannot buy this. It exceeds a particular cost. So you have to still keep looking. Let me see. Let me add it to cart. I want to check something. Okay, buy now. Promotion. Okay, payment method. I thought there was supposed to be additional payment method that requires me to add a card. Let's see. Let's see transaction. Okay, the card option is not here. Let's see settings. Payment method. So let's wait till it is done loading. So you to add the card. Okay, it's still loading. Yeah, we'll be able to add the card. I'll be able to buy the domain from with the card. Okay, I'll be adding the card now, and I'll be pasting the card in my bio. So it's a free card. You'll be able to use it for only testnet. It's available for only this testnet. So this is the card number, just 4242424242 until you exhaust this point. Then this is the expiring date, 01/01/30. Now the CVC, just put any number there and you are fine. The country, I don't think any country should be fine too. Yes, any country is fine. I just pick here and then safeguard. Now the card is saved and it's my default payment system. So with this, I can come back here and buy now. Let me see my default payment method. So let me just refresh. Hopefully it allows me to pay with the card. If it doesn't, I have to look for another domain to be able to pay with the card. Now it's not allowing me to pay with the card, so I need to look for another domain. So let's close this and come back here and look for another domain to buy so that I'll be able to complete this task. So let me look for other domains. Okay, let's use Capi. So that's capital, that's Capi. Let's add this and let's come to buy now. Then let's see. Now it has added an option. Let's see. Renewal 1 year, community. Okay, this is community, this is new one. And I see the payment method is here, the card method. So I can just click buy now. And automatically it buys with the card without stress. So just click on this card here and check out. Now this is checked out here and I have been able to purchase that particular username. Continue to browse. So when I come to this profile here, you have to come to profile, come here, come to my asset. Then you see the various ones that you have. Now, the next thing you need to do is you have to tokenize this by clicking. You have to click to tokenize it. So, no, yeah. Then preferred Doma Testnet. So you tokenize it. It simply means now you can sell it. Formerly, it's just in your domain, it's unsellable, but now when you tokenize it, then you can sell it, which is the essence of Doma. That is the whole fundamentals of Doma protocol, that you'll be able to tokenize your tokens. So we wait for it to be tokenized. So let's just refresh and you see it's already tokenized. So you see it's tokenized already. Now with this, you can now list it, but you cannot list it here because the tax said we should list it on this particular place. That is where the tax asks us to list it, on Doma. So not on this place, not on 3D website, D3 website, but on Doma. So we have to come here, come here, refresh. Then I don't need this anymore. Just click on your profile. My portfolio. That's what you need. My portfolio. Then you can see it now. This is it here. Now you can now list it. So click on list. Any amount you want to list it, you can now list it. So you can decide to list it at 0.8. Let's just say I list it at 0.8. So with this, you don't need to have 1 ETH or 0.8 ETH or so. You can just list the one you purchased with the card. And it will be equally verified by the tax. It will be equally verified by the tax. Don't forget the tax said user who listed or purchased. So you don't have to purchase, you can just list, but it has to be techie in nature or wealth inspired. So just pick any techie or wealth inspired name and do follow the same step I just gave and you'll be fine. Now let's look at the last one. It said user who list or purchase a real English dictionary word domain. A real English dictionary word domain with 4 letters. So you have to look for a real dictionary word domain with 4 letters. Now you can do this also with ChatGPT, right? A real dictionary word, a dictionary, 4-letter words. 4-letter words. And let ChatGPT do its thing. So these are real 4-letter words. It can be anything in as much it is valid. They are good. So let's just pick anyone. Let's pick this. This looks calm. And we'll come here again to the same platform I use, which is testnet.d3applic.app. So paste it here. Let's see if it's easy to get. So this next one, it can be a person, it can be a name of a person, it can be a name of anything. Just make sure that it is something that is real. It is a real English word. For me, the last time I did it, I used real English name. I can just write real English name with 4-letter words. 4-letter words. So let's just see if it's going to give us any name. Oh, I wanted English name. Okay, so let's use Zeni for letter words. Hopefully we can get this Zeni. Now it has to be a dictionary word. If it's not a dictionary word, then it is not going to be useful. So this is one here. You can use Zeni.football and it will still go. So add it. Then you come to buy now, or you can click on cart, anyone you want. And you can just click on Zeni. So you can just click on your cart here, so you'll be able to view various ones you have. Okay, let's click. I don't know, my cart is not showing. Let me remove this cache and let me leave just only the Zeni. Now get it has to be a real name. It has to be a real word in the dictionary. If it's not a real dictionary word, then it's not going to go through. So it has to be a real English word, a dictionary word. So I just noticed that Zeni is not a dictionary word, but Zemi is a dictionary word. So let's check Zemi instead. So instead of the Zeni, let's do Zemi. And hopefully we have Zemi. No, it's not going to. Zemi. Okay, yes, Zemi.ai. I can add this to my cart and also buy now with the card here. Okay, something went wrong. Just retry it. So the card is. Let me wait for the card to process. Okay, now you can check out. Now I've checked out. Then the next thing I need to do is I have to go to my assets, then tokenize it to Doma Testnet. and now it is tokenized. It's still processing and it's going to take just a few minutes to tokenize. So you can refresh now to be sure it has been tokenized. So it has been tokenized. It simply means it will appear in my Doma profile here. So my dashboard, Testnet on Doma Dashboard. Just come here, and if I check my portfolio, I would see Zenny. Now I can list Zenny too. So list it at, let's say I decide to list it at 1 ETH and sell. So creating a sell order, confirm. So I have been able to list this. Now, if you come back here, you see that you are able to carry out these taxes without having enough ETH to be able to carry out those transactions. So you see now it's a user who listed. So you have listed a real name. You have listed without purchasing. So if you come here, to the, I beg your pardon, sorry. If you come back here to this place, you will likely see your listings. You likely see your listings here. Okay, so you can actually see your listing. Look, these ones, you cannot get these ones because somebody has gotten them. You can actually buy this if you can check it, and it's a dictionary word. I look at it, this is my Zimi.ai. This is a dictionary word, and you are fine. So you can buy anyone that is a dictionary word, but because they are quite expensive, that is why we decide to show you the alternative. So if you think you have enough to buy, you can just come here. This is a 4-letter dictionary word to that, and it is 2 ETH, which is quite enormous. Let's see if this is a dictionary word. Eget. Let's see if Eget is a dictionary word. You can easily just buy Eget too, instead of going towards the rigorosity of what I just went through now. If Eget is a dictionary word, no, Eget is not a dictionary word. So that is how to carry out this tax and get eligible. So do them now before Monday 1600 hours, so that you'll be eligible to be able to claim this NFT here, and you'll be able to get the points here. So this is where I'm going to end the video. You can subscribe to my Telegram group, subscribe to this channel, so that you'll be able to see various videos I'm dropping per time. So I wish you best of luck as I see you in another video.